I love running, but my shoes are very old. Look at that old shoe! It is so old. My shoes are ready for the race. Anna cannot win with those shoes. Maybe I should not race. Anna, don't give up. Do not worry, Anna. We can fix it. Really, Mom? Anna, we can make your shoes special. Can we really make them strong? Yes, we will do it together. Even with all these holes?
That shoe has one more race in it, especially with all those holes.
Slowly, Mom.
Don't worry. We are making it strong.
Now they look different. They look like my shoes.
Your shoes are ready.
Then I am ready too.
I feel faster already.
Keep practicing. You are getting stronger.
Look, Anna is training in those old shoes.
She really thinks she can win? Ha!
Let's watch her.
I heard you, then you heard the truth.
Your shoes look funny.
Stop laughing at her.
Why? We are only joking.
I don't think it is funny. I will not quit. That's my sister. I will train harder. I will practice every day.
I will practice with you.
Thank you, Tom.
First, let's practice your start.
Like this?
Yes. Keep your body low.
Ready? Ready. Go! Faster, Anna. I'm trying. Keep going. I am tired.
Take a short break.
No. I want to keep going.
One more lap. You are getting faster. I won't stop. She is still training? She really won't give up. Maybe she is serious.
My legs are tired.
Your heart is strong.
I want to finish.
Then let's finish together. Together. One more run. One more run.
Look who came to race!
Those old shoes again.
I hope they survive the race.
Today is race day.
You are ready.
I will do my best. My shoes are ready.
And you are ready too.
Let's race.
Runners, get ready. I can do this. Let's see what you can do. Ready, set, go! I can do this. Come on, Anna. I'm gonna win.
Anna is going to win.
Come on, Anna. Keep going. Anna wins first place. I did it. You earned it, Anna. My old shoes never stop me.